back. Bienvenidos, everyone. Part 2 is here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So there's not a whole lot to part 2, as you can see. I'm just going to do a diagonal row of double half hitches to the middle. So there's 3 on each side. And then I'm going to reverse lark's head knot some additional pieces onto the sides, right under the rib cage and almost all the way around to the back. You're welcome to make those as long or as short as you'd like. Mine run about an inch and, not an inch and a half, but about 15 to 16 inches. So just keep that in mind. You can do the centimeters conversion on a calculator. It's 2.54 centimeters per inch. But yeah, this is really nice to throw on over a long shirt, button-down shirt. Afro Mama's wearing a very long shirt dress, really. You can also throw this on over a t-shirt. White tee would be good, a black tee. It kind of dresses up anything. And of course, the ubiquitous throwing it on over your swimwear if it's hot out where you're at or where you're going, or for festival wear. You can throw it on over your swimsuit. Very fringy, folks. Very fringy. We're going to go back over this way and travel down. So let's continue on, just doing a row of double half hitches horizontally, creating a nice V shape. Down, down. Here. So I've just been from up at this point, just had one come across and the same double half hitches along to keep them affixed. Okay, and then we'll leave this piece hanging when we're done with it. There won't be much left. You can even cut it evenly. See, I'm gonna go all the way down. That's it, and I'll show you the other side. Let me flip this around. See how it just going down here. But Jiminy Christmas, I love this rope so much. Gosh. And tie it around the back.